Okeechobee tasting room. Today we're going to be making an old-fashioned skillet apple pie. So the first thing you want to do, preheat your oven to 350. Put a half a cup or a stick of butter in your skillet and let it start melting for the next step. While that's melting, we're going to get our apples and slice them up. So using our mandolin, we're just going to slice. What we've done is we've cored and quartered the apples and peeled them. And what we're going to do is now is just sort of pack them in here and start slicing them. Not real thick, not real thin. Just about like that. I think our hopper got a little full. I'm just going to put them right back in the water for a minute. The ingredients that you need for this is half a cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar, 5 Granny Smith apples. We didn't have Granny Smiths, so we're using Red Delicious. 3 9-inch pie crusts, a cup of white sugar divided in two, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon divided in two, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and a tablespoon of butter cut into small chunks. So let's get our skillet back out. Almost melted. What we want to do is we'll help this butter out a little bit. Maybe not. Okay. Let's just add our brown sugar in there. We want that all mixed around. And back to the oven for a couple of minutes. I want to welcome you back to the Okeechobee tasting room. This is our second video, so please bear with me. We have a tiny kitchen and put out big flavors. So we'd love it if you all would click like and subscribe. That'll help us out in the long run. Let me know in the comments what dishes you would like to see me make. You know, whether it's gourmet, you know, southern cooking, you know, biscuits and gravy, what have you. And we will do our best to get those going. Now I want you to know that when I started to do this, get all my ingredients together, I found out that I didn't have brown sugar. So this is homemade brown sugar. It's real easy. I mixed up 4 cups of white granulated sugar and added 3 tablespoons of molasses. Mix that all up. I'll never buy brown sugar again. So that's ready to go. Let's put our first pie crust down. Now, even though I did make homemade brown sugar, I am cheating on the crust. So what you want to do is take your pre-made pie crust and roll it out. Put it over this brown sugar and butter mixture here, just like so. I'll pull the edges up. What you're going to do is you're going to put about half of your apples in it. Without the water. Well, so in our case, we've only got 2 pie crusts. So we're going to go ahead and just put all the apples in. Pour your sugar over. Dust your cinnamon over it. Sort of mix it around a little bit. The other bowl that we didn't need, because we only had 2 pie crusts, we'll just sprinkle a little bit of that around. Now you want to top it with your other crust. Go in there like so. Push the edges down a little bit. Now what you want to do here is you want to sprinkle probably, maybe a 1/4 cup or so of sugar around. A little more cinnamon. And then we're going to put some dollops of butter on. Just like so. Now we're going to take a knife, put some holes in here so it can vent. And we're going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 350. I'm going to clean up a little bit and we'll be back in 45 minutes. Yes, sir. There's our skillet apple pie out of the oven. Boy, it looks tasty. We're going to let it sit for a little while and then we'll slice it. But in the meantime, we're going to fry up some chicken legs. Remember, tiny kitchen, big flavor. There we go. Okay. So what I've got here is I got some chicken legs, mainly because that was just the easiest thing I found in the freezer as I was digging through. So they've been soaking in just some plain buttermilk. So what we're going to do is test our oil, see if our oil is hot. Oh yeah, it's good to go. So just take that, and what I'm rolling it in first is some salt and pepper. And then we'll go right here in some flour that I've added some Everglades cactus dust to give a little flavor. And it's frying away. Okay, we're back and our chicken is almost done. We're going to check the temperature. We want it to be at least 160 degrees. Yep, that one's done. That one's done. Oh yeah, that one's done. Yeah, these are all done. So we're going to take them out, get ourselves ready to eat. To me, that's some good looking fried chicken. I don't know about y'all. It smells pretty good. Can you smell it? Let me fix this up a plate and we'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, we've got dinner on the table. I'm going to cut a piece of this apple pie, which fell apart because I didn't let it cool enough. But this sure does look scrumptious. I can't wait to get into it.